Hey everyone, it's Kay and welcome back to my channel. In today's fast-paced world, many people seek effective and natural remedies to enhance hair growth and combat hair loss. And you know what? I don't blame them. Who doesn't want a thick, healthy head of hair? Whether you're struggling with thinning hair, slow growth, or simply want to maintain your luscious locks, this comprehensive guide will explore various natural remedies that can help you achieve your hair goals. From traditional Ayurvedic practices to modern nutritional insights, we will delve into the science behind these remedies, providing you with actionable steps and tips to incorporate them into your routine. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of natural hair growth, keep watching. Let's kick things off with a classic remedy that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, the fenugreek seed hair mask. Fenugreek seeds are tiny but mighty. They're packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. To make this powerful mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and some water. Start by soaking the fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, drain the seeds and grind them into a fine paste using a mortar and pestle or a food processor. For an extra boost of hydration and shine, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the fenugreek seed paste and mix well. Once your mask is ready, apply it generously to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Gently massage the mask into your scalp using your fingertips for a minute or 2. Leave the mask on for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing it to deeply penetrate the hair follicles. You can cover your hair with a shower cap to prevent the mask from drying out. After the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. For best results, use this fenugreek seed hair mask once or twice a week. You should start noticing a difference in your hair's thickness and growth within a few weeks. Our next natural remedy takes us back to the roots of Ayurveda with the incredible amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. This small but mighty fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a superstar ingredient for hair health. For this remedy, we'll be using amla oil. Warm up a few tablespoons of amla oil. You don't want it too hot, just comfortably lukewarm. Part your hair into sections to make sure you're applying the oil evenly to your scalp. Pour a small amount of warm amla oil onto your palm and start applying it to your scalp. Use your fingertips to gently massage the oil in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes to an hour. When you're ready to rinse, use a mild shampoo to wash your hair thoroughly. For best results, indulge in an amla oil massage once or twice a week. You'll notice your hair feeling softer, shinier, and stronger with regular use. For our next hair growth booster, we're diving into the world of herbs with a revitalizing Brahmi and aloe vera hair pack. Brahmi, also known as Bacopa monnieri, is a powerful herb that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. When combined with the soothing properties of aloe vera, you've got yourself a winning combination for healthy, luscious locks. To create this potent hair pack, you'll need a handful of fresh Brahmi leaves and 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Combine the washed Brahmi leaves and aloe vera gel in a blender and blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Apply it generously to your scalp and hair, massaging it gently with your fingertips. Leave the hair pack on for 30 to 45 minutes. You can cover your hair with a shower cap to prevent the pack from drying out. After the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. For optimal results, pamper your hair with this Brahmi and aloe vera hair pack once or twice a week. You'll start noticing a visible difference in your hair's texture, thickness, and shine with regular use. Chapter 4: Scalp Stimulation. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, and when it comes to hair growth, scalp stimulation is a game changer. By incorporating a few minutes of scalp massage into your daily routine, you can significantly improve blood circulation to your scalp, delivering essential nutrients to the hair follicles and promoting healthy hair growth. All you need are your fingertips and a few minutes of your time. To begin, find a comfortable position and place your fingertips on your scalp. Start at your forehead and work your way back, using gentle circular motions. Apply light to medium pressure, being careful not to tug or pull at your hair. Focus on areas where your hair feels thinner or where you experience hair loss. You can enhance your scalp massage by incorporating essential oils like rosemary, lavender, or peppermint oil. For optimal results, aim for 5 to 10 minutes of scalp massage daily. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make in the health and thickness of your hair. Chapter 5. Onion Juice Mask. Get ready to unleash the pungent power of onion juice, a surprisingly effective natural remedy for hair growth. Onion juice is a rich source of sulfur, a mineral that plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for strong, healthy hair. Sulfur also helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to the hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Start by peeling and roughly chopping one medium-sized onion. Blend it with a little water until you get a smooth paste. Strain the onion juice using a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer to remove any chunks of onion. Use a cotton ball to apply the juice directly onto your scalp, focusing on areas where your hair feels thinner or where you experience hair loss. Gently massage your scalp for a few minutes to help the juice penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. To minimize the smell, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the onion juice before applying it to your scalp. Leave the onion juice mask on for at least 30 minutes. After the time is up, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. For best results, pamper your hair with an onion juice mask once or twice a week. You'll be amazed at how much thicker, fuller, and healthier your hair looks and feels with regular use. Chapter 6. When it comes to hair health, it's not just about what you put on your hair. It's also about what you put into your body. And that's where the incredible chia seed comes in. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a true superfood for hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to obtain them through our diet. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. Chia seeds are also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing hair tissue. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids and protein, chia seeds are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, both of which contribute to overall hair health. One of the easiest ways is to sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds onto your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothie. You can also add them to salads, soups, or even baked goods for an extra nutritional boost. Another option is to make chia seed pudding. Simply combine 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk and a sweetener of your choice. Let the mixture sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight until the chia seeds have absorbed the liquid and formed a pudding-like consistency. With regular consumption, you'll notice a significant difference in the health, thickness, and shine of your hair. Chapter 7. Get ready for a dose of creamy, dreamy hair therapy with an avocado hair mask. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly nourishing for your hair, thanks to their abundance of vitamins E and B, which are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. To make this luxurious avocado hair mask, you'll need 1 ripe avocado and 1 tablespoon of honey. Start by mashing the avocado until it's smooth and creamy. Then, add the honey and mix well until you achieve a consistent paste. Apply it generously to your hair, focusing on the ends, which tend to be the driest. Once you've applied the mask, cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for at least 1 hour. After the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You may need to shampoo twice to completely remove the avocado mask. For optimal results, pamper your hair with an avocado hair mask once or twice a week. You'll be amazed at how much softer, shinier, and healthier your hair looks and feels with regular use. Chapter 8. Our final natural remedy for hair growth takes us to the pumpkin patch with pumpkin seed oil, a potent elixir that's gaining popularity for its ability to combat hair loss. Pumpkin seed oil is believed to inhibit the production of DHT, a hormone that's linked to hair loss, making it a promising natural remedy for those experiencing hair thinning or loss. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone that's naturally present in both men and women. However, when DHT levels are elevated, it can bind to hair follicles, causing them to shrink and eventually stop producing hair. Pumpkin seed oil contains compounds that are believed to block the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone to DHT. For topical application, simply massage a few drops of pumpkin seed oil into your scalp before washing your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes to allow the oil to penetrate the hair follicles. For oral consumption, you can find pumpkin seed oil capsules at most health food stores. If you're experiencing hair loss, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. So, there you have it. 8 powerful natural remedies for hair growth that you can easily incorporate into your hair care routine. Remember, natural remedies work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Don't expect to see results overnight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's grow our hair naturally together. See you in the next video.